I'm Ryan from Silly Reviews. I'm going to show you how to take your car from ashy to classy without spending a dime. So your car looks good from 20 feet away, but as you get closer, you're reminded of how you neglect clean your vehicle, properly maintain your paint job, and you can see all of your clear coat peeling. It looks terrible. All the color is uneven. What do you do now? Your car is flaking. It looks like your paint has dandruff. I'm going to give you an auto hack that is going to make your vehicle look great at almost all distances. Now, it's not going to look brand new, but it's going to look a whole lot better than that crusty mess. Pay attention, here we go. This is what you need. You do not need sandpaper or paint or primer. You just need a garden hose. I'm sure you have one, or you can borrow your neighbor's, okay? Spray your car down, get it moist. It's going to completely change the optics of your vehicle. It's going to hydrate that paint. It's going to mask and cover up all of that peeling clear coat that looks like dandruff, and you can get right up on it. It's going to look really darn good. But you're probably wondering, well, that's great while it's wet. What about when it dries? Here's what you do. You only drive your car in the rain, and it's going to look great. You're welcome.